How to clean partial dentures, a video for patients. If you have a partial denture, you need to become good at cleaning both your own natural teeth and your removable partial denture to eliminate plaque that forms on both of them. Plaque is a slightly clear or whitish film made up of bacteria that use food to attach to your denture. If you leave plaque on your partial, it can easily transfer back to your teeth when you put it back in your mouth, and this can result in decay and bone loss over time. Because plaque is like a film of glue, it must be mechanically removed by a brush. It cannot be rinsed off by water, a salt rinse, a mouthwash, or even a dental irrigating machine. Best evidence suggests using a combination of brushing your denture and then soaking it overnight in a cleaning solution made specifically for partial dentures. Prior to brushing your denture, fill your sink with water or place a face cloth over the basin so the denture will not break should you accidentally drop it. Rinse your denture and then use either a regular soft bristled toothbrush and/or a long bristled denture toothbrush. There are several different shapes and models. Find one that works well on your denture and allows you to get in around the metal clasps and components that contact your gums and teeth. Use more than one if it helps. Avoid hard bristle brushes that will increase wear on the denture. Use a liquid dish detergent, not dishwasher soap, or a mouth rinse or a denture toothpaste for brushing. Dampen your brush before using it to minimize scratching of the denture. In general, avoid regular toothpaste or baking soda as they have abrasives that may wear your denture faster than normal. Whitening toothpaste will not whiten denture teeth. Hold your toothbrush with your whole hand, like this. Don't hold it at the end or with a few fingers. For most people, this will give you the most control. When brushing your lower denture, hold one side at a time rather than gripping the whole thing as you brush so you don't end up accidentally squeezing and breaking it in your hand. Use a wiggly motion or vibration to try and dislodge plaque from the denture. Cleaning the inside of the partial and the inside of the clasp is just as important as cleaning the teeth because the inner surface affects the health of your teeth, your gums, and the fit and security of your partial denture. Scrubbing firmly or using a hard bristled brush is not necessary and won't clean your denture any better. It is more important to ensure that you brush over the entire outer and inner surfaces using a vibration to dislodge or remove all of the plaque. Try not to brush haphazardly so you don't miss any areas. Instead, develop an order of brushing that makes sure you cover all areas. For most people, it will take about 1 minute per denture to ensure proper cleaning. Brush or rinse after meals throughout the day if possible. Then, remove your dentures for night, thoroughly brushing and then putting them in a soaking solution overnight. This allows your gums to have a rest. Prior to bed, you can use a soft bristled toothbrush to brush both your own natural teeth and your gums for best tissue health and denture fit. Don't forget to floss your own teeth. A toothbrush can't clean in between them. Overnight, keep your dentures in a liquid cleanser to keep them moist so they don't warp. Use a commercial cleaner specifically made for partial dentures and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Bleach and commercial cleaners not designed specifically for partials can damage or corrode the metal on your denture. In the morning, thoroughly rinse dentures prior to replacing them in your mouth. Bleach or denture cleansers can cause irritation of your gums and should not be consumed. If you don't routinely remove all the plaque on your denture, calcium in your saliva can deposit on it, hardening to form calculus, which is another name for tartar. Calculus cannot be removed with a brush, and unfortunately it forms a rough surface, which makes further buildup easier. Your dentist can clean calculus off your partial denture for you. Thoroughly cleaning your removable partial denture is an important step to keeping your remaining teeth and gums healthy and ensuring that your denture fits well. Spend the time each day to keep things clean, and this will help you preserve your teeth and partial as long as possible.